Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the HITBOX DC inverter stick welder, and this one offers a 200 amp welding machine, IGBT, ARC, MMA welding equipment. So you could use this with 110 volt or 220 volt. Okay. And this one is the orange color. It is made in China. It says welding and cutting technology. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. I purchased with my own money. This unit costs about $71.27, free shipping and plus tax. So the total damage is about $77.51. I got it out of eBay directly from HITBOX. And I also checked on the Amazon. I believe it was like $89.99. And some other sellers selling for like 90 or 100 something bucks. So you need to shop around. First I was going to buy from another seller. And then they offered me I think I put in an offer for 68. They counter offered me 75, but somehow on the next day, I saw this one even cheaper price, and then directly from the manufacturer. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what the unit look like. Wow, it's inside a bubble wrap. Wow. So this is the adapter for 220 volt to 110. It's a pretty nice unit. Got the shoulder strap. So this is the regular 110 volt. Come with the operation instruction or user manual guide. Wow, pretty bright orange. It's an on and off switch on the back, and then a cooling fan. Here's your adjustable amperage right here. And then your positive, your minus. Wow, look at this one. It's heavy duty. And this is where you clamp the stick weld. It says 200 amp right here. So is this side right here. And that's it. So I need to ground this and then put the stick on and start welding. Okay. And put this connector right there if you're using a 200 and 20 volt. Yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.